Hi there, foxes. I'm going to show you the next step of your maths now. So if we look down here, you can see that I've set up my book just in the same way that we did 2 days ago and yesterday when you were checking my work to see if we can work out the change that is owed to somebody. So here is my bar that I've drawn, and as you can see, a lovely lady called Betty has given me all the change in her purse, which was £15.20. That's how much money she's given me. And I went to the co-op for her and bought her some bits and pieces, and I spent £11.30. So just like the other day, we're looking at this missing number, and we're going to take away this number here from this one, and that will leave us with how much is left. So I've drawn my bar so I can see what it is that I'm doing and working out. I've written my number sentence. I've left a gap there for working it out. So today I'm going to just go over how to take away using decimals and how to check your answer using the inverse. So when we name these are our ones and these are our tens. We know that. But over here we have tenths and hundredths. Okay, so that's just reminding us that everything has to go in the correct column. It only works if you put everything in the same column. So there's my 15.2 or £15.20, and underneath I'm going to do £11.30. So it's really important that the decimal point goes in the same place. It's all lined up. So £11.30. Okay. If you line your things up really, really smartly, it becomes really, really straightforward. So if we take away, it's easy, hip hooray, more on the top, no need to stop, more on the floor, go next door and steal some more. So it's not more on the top or on the bottom. 0 take 0 is 0. That's fine. 2 take away 3. Remember, don't switch the numbers around and write 1. There is more on the floor, so we go next door and steal some more. And it's fine to go over your decimal place and take from here. There were 5 ones, so we're going to leave 4, and that extra one is coming here. So now we have 12 tenths, take away 3 tenths, 12 take away 3, and that's going to leave 9. Now it's really important that we write that decimal place, otherwise we're going to think we owe Betty thousands of pounds, or at least hundreds of pounds. Okay, 4 take away 1, that would be 3. And here, 1 take away 1, they're cancelling each other out, so that's a 0. So I think the answer is £3.90. I think that's how much I need to give Betty. So if I go back up here, that would be £3.90. If that's correct, then those two numbers together will add up to £15.20. So that's called the inverse. It's doing the opposite. So very, very quickly, I'm just going to check my answer. I'm going to do 15... Oh, no, made a mistake, so I'm just going to cross that out. That's fine. I'm going to do £11.30, and I'm going to add £3.90. Just note that I didn't put my 3 here because the 3 is for the ones column. I've put my decimal points on top of each other. So I'm just going to add those together. 0 add 0 is 0. 9 add 3 is 12. I'm going to put my decimal point in because that's really important. 3 add 1 is 4 for the ones. Oh, hang on. I've made an error. 3 add 1 is 4, but then I need to remember to add this one on here. So that's actually a 5. And then 1, and I'm not adding anything else to that 1 for the 110, is 110. So that's 15.20, 1520, which is the magic starting number. So we can do a little add. If those two numbers add up for this one, then you have got the answer right. And Betty's happy, you're happy, everybody's happy. So well done. Okay, good luck for today's lesson.